Hello and welcome to another one of D's ADD videos. Today we're going to be discussing another advanced technique of trig integration dealing with tans and secants with powers greater than 1, not just a simple substitution. Okay? So whenever we're integrating a tangent and a secant, just like before in the other videos relating to this topic, we are going to have a scenario in which either one of these three things are true. Secant will be even and positive. Tangent will be odd and positive. Tangent would be even and positive. In all these scenarios, we have a different technique and a different term to be set aside. So we're going to set aside a du. What we set aside is always du, and then convert it a different thing to be u in each one of these. In this video, we're going to discuss what happens when secant is even. When secant is even, what you're going to do is you're going to pull out a secant squared and convert everything into tangents. You will do this using the Pythagorean identity as you did in the other videos. So let's check out an example partially worked out. Now you'll note on this example that tangent is odd, but if we bring it up, it'd be to the -3 power. So we cannot use rule 2, even though at face value you might think that you could. It has to be in the numerator and odd, or positive and odd. Okay? But secant is even here. So what you can do is you can set aside the secant squared that was discussed, and that'll be your du term. So this right here is your du, and now our goal is to convert everything left that's not a tangent into a tangent, so we need to convert this into a tangent. Okay? So if you forgot your trig identity, what you can do is you can start out with the basic Pythagorean identity, and if we divide everybody by cosine squared, we can get the tangent we desire, tangent squared and the secant squared we desire. So in doing so, you would get that, and there's your identity. All right? You don't always have to memorize every one of these. You can derive some of them if you know the basic ones. All right, and when you plug in the secant squared is equal to tan squared plus 1, and then it's a u substitution problem. After that, all you do is you let u equal tangent, just the basic tangent, so this would become u squared plus 1 over u cubed, and the du would be secant squared and canceling out with this secant squared. All right? So again, the best way to do this is practice as many of these as possible so that you're not thrown off, and keep working. All right? The more you do, the more second nature it becomes, the less anxiety you feel, and the more you will succeed. So practice, practice, practice. I hope this has helped enough for you to try a few problems on your own. Check out the example videos, and as always, have a nice day.